got the Lord, we got the more than the chapel. Today we are going to learn numbers in Dinka language from number 11 to 20. Yesterday we learned from number 1 to number 10. And today we are going to read from number 11 to 20. And then tomorrow we are going to read from number 20 to number 30. We will continue until we reach 1000 in Dinka language. So let us begin reading. 11 in Dinka is Tiar Kutok. Tiar Kutok. Tiar Kutok. 12 Tiar Kuro. Tiar Kuro. Tiar Kuro. 13 Tiar Kudiak. Tiar Kudiak. Tiar Kudiak. 14 Tiar Kungwan. Tiar Kungwan. Tiar Kungwan. 15 Tiar Kudich. Tiar Kudich. Tiar Kudich. 16 Tiar Kuditem. Tiar Kuditem. Tiar Kuditem. 17 Tiar Kudoro. Tiar Kudoro. Tiar Kudoro. 18 Tiar Kubet. Tiar Kubet. Tiar Kubet. 19 Tiar Kudongwan. Tiar Kudongwan. Tiar Kudongwan. 20 Tiaro. 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 So let us make a quick recap. 11 Tiar Kutok. 12 Tiar Kuro. 13 Tiar Kudiak. 14 Tiar Kungwan. 15 Tiar Kudi. 16 Tiar Kudetem. 17 Tiar Kudoro. 18 Tiar Kubet. 19 Tiar Kudongwan. 20 Tiaro. Tiaro. Tiar Kudongwan. Tiar Kubet. Tiar Kudoro. Tiar Kudetem. Tiar Kudich. Tiar Kungwan. Tiar Kudiak. Tiar Kuro. Tiar Kutok. Tiar Kutok. Tiar Kuro. Tiar Kudiak. Tiar Kungwan. Tiar Kudich. Tiar Kudutem. Tiar Kudoro. Tiar Kubet. Tiar Kudongwan. Tiaro. By Usas William Majak Malik Day. Please, if you are new in this channel, I kindly beg you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of our Dinka learning family. So I promise you this month we are going to finish from number 1 to 1000 in Dinka language. Those numbers only. So we are going to deal numbers only. Every day I will be bringing 10 numbers in Dinka, 10 numbers in Dinka, so that we finish the series within this month. If you find this useful, please subscribe, share it to your loved ones, like the video, so that because when you like the video, YouTube is going to recommend the video to the other people so that they watch it together. I'm really happy and I really appreciate you all for being here to learn Dinka language with us. Please go to our Facebook page. It is written Dinka Learning Class. Dinka Learning Class Facebook page, and there is a Dinka Awil dialogue. So these are the two pages that I'm running in Facebook. So if you want us to meet there in Facebook, please, we can meet there. Okay, bye. This is the end of our lesson. Bye.